Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to install tools or softwares in a Linux distribution system making use of package managers. So package managers are the kind of softwares that help considering or installing the dependencies and help the user install tools by writing simple commands. So there are two available in Debian based distributions. So this is running Ubuntu, which is a Debian based distribution. The first one is called APT, the second one is called Snap. Today I'm going to show you the typical kind of commands that are used to install various tools in such distributions. So let's get started. I want to install a tool named Pinta. Pinta is an open source tool similar to the Paint of Windows. So first I write sudo. Sudo means give the super user access to the system, right? Super user access is required because it's going to install something in our system, and that is critical. So we say sudo install sudo apt. Apt is a package manager. I'm invoking the package manager apt, and then I'm telling it to install, and then I'm telling it to install Pinta. So basically all the repository links that are by default available in the Linux distribution, it's going to search there and find if Pinta is available. I hit enter, then it's going to ask me to enter my password. I enter that. Then it's telling me that it's going to occupy around 48 MBs of space. All right, why? And hit enter. Now it's installing Pinta. Okay, let's wait for its installation to complete. It will take around a few seconds, right? After that, we are going to give an attempt to Snap. Although my system already have VLC installed and Spotify installed in it, but we are going to try that, making use of Snap. Yeah. So let's search. Do we have Pinta? Yeah, Pinta is successfully installed. Let's open it up. Here is the tool we installed using the command of apt. Let's clear the screen. Let's try something with Snap. Usually Snap is very slow. It takes minutes to install something. The command is almost the same. We only replace apt with Snap, and then we write the tool names. By the way, not everything is available on Snap these days. Spotify. Snap is like a new tool, new alternative to apt. That's right. So it says that Spotify is already installed. I already told you that, but the reason I wrote this command is to demonstrate how Snap is being used, right? So that is it for this video. Let's meet in the second one.